Good morning, everyone. Rich Smothers here from Billy Goat Tales, and welcome to Motivational Mindset. Today, we're going to be talking about AI. You know, by 2030, artificial intelligence will eliminate or completely transform more than 300 million jobs worldwide. That's not fear mongering, that's McKinsey, Goldman Sachs, and every serious study saying the same thing. AI is already writing legal briefs better than junior lawyers, diagnosing diseases faster than some doctors, and creating marketing campaigns that outperform entire ad agencies. The question is no longer, will AI take my job? The question is, will I become the kind of human AI that can never be replaced? Because here's what the panic merchants won't really tell you. AI is not coming to destroy the world. It's coming to destroy mediocrity. All right? And if you're willing to evolve yourself, this is the greatest wealth transfer and opportunity expansion in human history. So today I'm giving you the 3 moves that you must make right now before 2026, if possible, but certainly within 2026, first quarter. Not just survive the AI wave, but these moves will help you ride it to a level that most people just will not ever reach. Move number 1, become undeniably human. What do I mean by that? Well, AI can copy information. It cannot copy soul. Double down on the things that machines will never touch. Deep empathy, moral courage, storytelling that moves hearts, leadership that inspires sacrifice, taste, intuition, faith, humor that heals. The future belongs to the person who can walk into a room and make every human in it feel seen, feel safe, and significant. That's not a skill. That's a way of being. Start practicing today. Move number 2, become a relentless learner who owns the tools. Every week, a new AI model drops that makes last month's look like a toy. The average person will complain and fall behind. The rare person learns the new tool before it's mainstream, combines it with human judgment, and creates results no pure human or pure machine could ever match. Right now, this week, pick one AI tool like, say, ChatGPT or Claude or Midjourney or Perplexity or any of them, and spend one focused hour, just 1 hour a day, mastering it. In 90 days, you will be the top 1% of people who actually know how to use it. The gap is your unfair advantage. And then number 3, build an audience and authority while attention is still cheap. AI is about to flood the internet with perfect content. In a world drowning in noise, people will pay anything for a trusted human voice they know. That they not just know, but they like and they trust. So start documenting your journey now, your wins, your scars, your lessons, your faith, your grind. Post the raw, the real, the helpful. The compound interest on attention you build in 2025, say to 2025 and through 2027, will become generational wealth when AI makes average content worthless. So here's the bottom line. AI is not your enemy. Your unwillingness to adapt, that's what your enemy is. The Industrial Revolution rewarded people who could work with machines. This revolution will reward people who can work above them. People who lead, who create, who connect, and who care in ways that code can never accomplish. So don't hide, don't whine, don't wait. Become undeniable. Become a learning machine yourself. Become a trusted voice, because the future isn't coming for your job. It's coming for your excuses. And when it does arrive, I want you standing on the winning side, richer, freer, and more alive than ever before. So if you're ready to own this moment, drop "I'm becoming undeniable" in the comments right now. Tag one person who needs to wake up with you. Tag them. The age of AI isn't the end. For those who move now, it's the beginning of everything. I'll see you in the next one. Rich Smothers, Billy Goat Tales, Motivational Mindset. Catch you on the flip flop.